National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Prince George County, northeastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, western Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:57 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Disputanta, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Disputanta around 11 p.m. Waverly around 11:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Corner, Carsley, Newville, Savage, and Barham. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield.